Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your wireless charging pad in the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an X-Line Limited all-wheel drive in Shadow Matte Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head over to the 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and we can either hit the setup button down here in the control center when your media controls are showing, or we can swipe to the left and hit setup in the bottom right corner. Then we're going to go into vehicle. And then on the left, we're going to scroll up to convenience. And then in the middle here, we have our wireless charging system. So you want to make sure that that feature is turned on. And the wireless charging pad isn't located far away from that, right here in the center. Now they put some vents into the wireless charging pad just to help with the cooling so the phone doesn't overheat at all. But we're going to take the phone and just literally place it into that spot. And you give it a second and you're going to see the light is going to come on to let us know that this is now charging. If for any reason it starts to blink while the phone is in there, then maybe it just got a little bit too warm, so it paused the charging just to kind of help cool down a little bit. And if you were to open your door, then the phone will stop charging. If we happen to have the phone in there, give it a sec, let it detect it. Now that the door's closed, perfect. So if I were to turn the car off and go to exit the vehicle, it's going to ping on the instrument panel here just to remind me that my device is still in the wireless charging pad. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.